Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you one software which will help you to maintain your Windows PC in perfect conditions. So, without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website seriousbit.com. So, this is a software, so you can download the free version as you can see here, and hence so free. So you download the free versions, and if you like the free versions and you want the pro level versions, then you can purchase from here directly. So right now you download and install this free version, as I've already downloaded and installed already in my Windows PC, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it. So when installation is done, you open or run the software. On running the software for the first time, you can see here one message popping up asking you to put your name and email address. So give any name and any email address. And click start. Wait for a few seconds. So finally the applications is started. So what you can see here is that, as you can see in the top panel, you can get here the information, tools, most used tweaks, system optimization and customization. So here you can see the most used tools and informations. Here you can see your processor, you can see the sensors available in your Windows computer, you can see about the motherboards, and even you can see about your disk, registry cleaner, startup items, defragmenter for your hard disks, and relating of your hard disk and its health and temperatures, as you can see here. So when you click on the each item, you can get much more details about this respective products and devices. So similarly, when you click on the various respective options, you will get the various options to check out. So when you click on this above system information, you will get about your system informations. You get the processor, display adapter, sensor, hard disks, everything you can see here. So you can see in the tools section what are the options provided for you. So it's very helpful if you want to maintain your Windows computer and keep it in the perfect conditions for a longer period of times. Then I would highly recommend you to use and install this in your Windows computer or your Windows laptops, so that you can check out what problem Windows PC has been facing in day-to-day life uses. So you can track and you can see the health of your hard disks, even your motherboards, or even your processors, whether they're functioning properly or not, or what problems they're facing, and what's the health quality of your respective hard drives, and so on. So in my opinion, you should definitely try this software and check it out by yourself. And if you find any difficulty using this software, so leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you in using this software. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.